Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and today I want to share with you a new addition to my wellness routine. This is the Bestqool red light therapy device. Now, I love using red light therapy as a part of my workout routine. This uses red light and infrared light, and I usually use it 3 to 5 times a week after I work out. I usually work out on a spin bike, and anyone who has done spin classes know that those classes can really leave your muscles sore, and so I really like to use this before or after. And I find that when I use it consistently, my muscles are rarely sore. And the added benefit is that it helps promote circulation, it helps with my back pain. And what's really nice about it is that it is just so easy to set up. So if you're not tech savvy, you don't have to worry about it. It just has a couple of switches and then you're good to go. It also comes with hooks that you can put over your door so that you can stand in front of it, or you can put it on a table and you can sit in front of it. So it's very easy to use. I also enjoy that they include blackout glasses because red light, especially from this device, can be really powerful. And if you're looking right into that red light device, I really recommend that you wear those blackout glasses so that you can just protect your eyes and not have any eye strain. So if you're looking for a red light therapy device, I really recommend this one from Bestqool, and that is my point of view.